Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to add an IP address statically or how to make an IP address static to a server. So by default, all the servers should have an IP address which is static. No server should have an IP address which is assigned by a DHCP. Okay. Now let's get started. So first of all, I would like to show you how to check a IP address of a computer. Go to the command prompt and type a command called ipconfig and hit enter. Now you see the IP address of this computer is 192.168.111.129, right? Now let me also verify this is a IP address assigned by DHCP or the static one. How to check that? You run the same command ipconfig space slash all. It will give you few more information, but it will also tell you what is this IP, whether this is IP address is uh, dynamic or static one. Okay, let me go here. It says, see, auto configuration enabled is yes, means it's a dynamic IP. So let me go to the network interface card and check. So network interface card, how to go? You have a command called ncpa.cpl, network control panel.cpl. Hit enter and you got the Ethernet 0. You have another option which is graphics. Right click on this network interface card symbol, the computer symbol in the right side down here. Okay, and then go to open network and sharing center and then change the adapter settings. Then you have the same option here, Ethernet. Right click on this, go to properties, go to the TCP IPv4, go to properties of it, and you see obtain an IP automatically. Means the current IP address, whatever you have seen, right? That is given by the DHCP, not by the user or the engineer. So I just told you all the IP address of the servers should be static. No server will have an IP address of dynamic. The server should have the IP address static. Okay, so you can even give that IP address or whatever IP address your network team says. So in my case, I'm going to add a new set of IP address which is 192.168.190.50. And if you just press the tab button in your keyboard, the the subnet mask will be populated according to the classes of the IP address. This is my class C IP address. That is the reason 255.255.255.0 the subnet mask is populated. And then the default gateway. Default gateway is very important. If there is no default gateway, no communication will be there. So 192.168.190.1. So this information will be provided by your network team or your firewall team. Okay. So now the preferred DNS server. So since I'm going to add or promote this server to a domain controller, I would like to install DNS also in the same server. Then I can call this server as a DNS server, and hence I will put the same IP address here also in the DNS 192.168.190.50. Let me say OK. Now I have changed my IP address to 192.168.190.50. Now let me go to the command prompt and type ipconfig. See, now the IP address is there 192.168.190.50, 255.255.0, 192.168.190.1 is the gateway, correct. If you want to see the DNS address also, then ipconfig space slash all. Space all. If you enter ipconfig space slash all. Okay, let me try ipconfig slash all and hit enter. See, you can see the DNS server IP address also, which is we just added. Okay, so this is how we have to check the IP address and add the IP address statically to the computers. That's all. Thank you all for watching.